Okay, our bent pins 2 detector has completed training successfully at an accuracy of 98.276%. So we're going to go to versions and download this. And then once it's downloaded, I'm going to show you two different ways in which to install it. So one way to install it in more of a silent manner would be to simply just rename it back to the bent pins 1, since it's really the same thing, just named a different detector. And then drop it into the program data, ELM3 function tester, detector, so just paste it there. That will end up sucking it in. Notice how it went away. And now it's installed on the machine. The other way of doing this would be leave it as a bent pins 2 detector. We'll go to Options, go to Inspection tab, Manage Detectors. There's already a bent pins detector present, so I'm going to remove it first before showing this. So first we're just going to remove this. I don't need to delete it, just remove it. Bent pins is disabled. I can go ahead and update or install the detector, and then just select that download from QC Hero, install it permanently, append it to the list of active detectors, which are the debris, molded parts, soft connects, and then let it load, and then we'll reassign the program that uses it. So once the number 2 version is installed, see it's installed, we can go to navigate to the configuration exit, so go to Configure Programs, and we'll go to the bent pins program, and just double click on the step and select the new bent pins detector. Save. And now the bent pins part number will start using the number 2 detector in the future.